This is the application, and as you can see here on the tag, I had it ordered off the eBay, and I found one for 10 bucks. And just to give you an idea of what I'm looking at here, this is all that it is. It's just a bracket, attachable. See these little plates right here? You just cut these off, and then you can slide your aftermarket stereo right in here and attach the brace that holds the radio in place, and then that will be it. Then it's completely installed. This also comes with an instruction manual, which I will show you. It just gives you a blueprint of how this works, and as you can see what it fits. Geo Prizm 93 to 97 model, and there it is. There's my console. There's how it works. As you can see right there, there's the base. There's the instruction manual. This is for an old style. This is for an aftermarket stereo. And as you can see, it just slides right in. Once you do that, as you can see, there's your cup tray. You just slide your cup tray right in, and then you just anchor. Okay folks, now this is how this works. This is aftermarket. This is the very radio I was telling you about a minute ago. And you see this little tray that holds it together? Naturally, you slide the tray loose off your aftermarket, and what you do is, this is a custom fit to the 97 or 94 Geo Prizm I told you about, and this is how you do this. You had to cut out the clips that held this whole thing together, which was these right here. All you do is just take something, cut them loose with, and then you can put aftermarket together. And all you do is put it in this way. Make sure that your tray and your clip and all is that right there, and you just fit it together like so. Once you get it all the way through, and it is a tight fit, so just work with it as you see I'm doing right here. And just keep working with it until it goes all the way through. And once it's all the way through, just like you see right here, see where it's catching? That way it doesn't slide no further, no less. And it's a tight fit, so it's pretty snug. Now at the top here, you'll see grooves. Now with these grooves that you see, all you do is you just bend them up a little bit. Just like you see me doing, like that. That way, in the event that it tried to slide on you, it wouldn't get very far. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Bend them up a little bit. That way they won't go anywhere. This way, this stays put. See there? It's not going to go anywhere. It's a great harness and install kit. And you can enjoy the luxury that modern convenience can give an old car, like a 24-year-old Geo Prizm. Now see how that is? Now see when I go to hook it up in the car in just a little bit, naturally, I hook up my harness back here where it's supposed to go, and this would just simply slide in. And if you're wondering how it catches, okay, you see these grooves right here? Okay, now you see this little anchor right here. This anchor here will attach right here, and it locks this into place. That way this can't slide out or in further, which this here will catch it from going in, and this groove will catch it from sliding out if it was to try to do so. So now we'll just take it and install it into the 94 Geo Prizm.